Introducing the GE Profile Smart Indoor Smoker, the world's first indoor smoker that addresses the inconvenience of outdoor smoking. Priced at $999, this countertop smoker, featured at CES 2024, allows you to infuse wood pellet flavors into your favorite dishes without triggering smoke alarms. Available at Williams-Sonoma and Best Buy, the appliance employs active smoke filtration, converting real wood smoke into flavorful warm air through a catalyst system. Gaskets and seals keep the smoke contained, eliminating kitchen odors. Equipped with a digital dial and presets, the smoker simplifies the smoking process, offering 6 settings for various meats. Noteworthy is the unique smoke and hold setting, keeping your meats safe for up to 24 hours. Integration with the GE Profile Smart HQ app enables remote control of smoke levels and meat monitoring. The app also promises over-the-air updates and guided recipes. Despite its compact design, the indoor smart smoker accommodates 3 racks of baby back ribs, a brisket, a whole chicken, 40 chicken wings. Using wood pellets, it ships with a temperature probe and starter pellets. Originally an Indiegogo project named Arden, this smoker raised over $835,000 before rebranding as a GE Profile product. It follows the success of GE Appliances' previous innovative smart kitchen gadget, the first smart electric mixer showcased at CES 2023. Elevate your indoor cooking experience with the GE Profile Smart Indoor Smoker, the perfect solution for flavorful, hassle-free smoking in the comfort of your home.